My name is Cynthia White, and I work in the Arts and Design Research Incubator, which is part of the College of Arts and Architecture. For the last year or so, we have been working very closely with the One Health Microbiome Center to foster collaborative research projects between artists and scientists. And this art exhibition, called Synergies in Art and Science, is an effort by the ADRI and the One Health Microbiome Center to elevate some of the work that's being done over the last year. We have researchers who are working in plant pathology and new media. We have works in regenerative medicine and sculpture. We have mushroom science, architecture, ornithology, and sculpture.
I'm Cristin Millett. I'm a professor of art in the School of Visual Arts at Penn State University. Cynthia and I, along with Yonat Zor from the University of Western Australia, are part of the Ex Utero Collective. Our work explores the future of human reproduction, and specifically we are studying recent scientific advances that will enable ectogenesis.
So when we're thinking about ectogenesis, one thing that we are conscious of is the fact that in a synthetic womb and with mechanical placentas, the neonate that would be quote-unquote born would not be colonized by any kind of vaginal microbiota. With the help and consultation of microbiologist Maria Gloria Dominguez-Bello from Rutgers, we are considering the implications of the absence of a microbiome for neonates.
The outcome of our research is a collection of sculptural objects and multimedia installation. The work encourages people to think about the implications of these technological advances and what those advances will mean for the future of human reproduction.
I'm Andrew Hieronymi. I am a faculty in the School of Visual Arts. I teach digital arts and media design. I'm presenting Contact. It's an installation game with custom hardware and custom software. So the hardware is elongated joysticks that require upper body movement, and with them you control a on-screen circle that moves around a abstracted, colorful environment. The Microbiome Center, and especially Professor Estelle Portado and Chad Fott, were very interested in some of the overlaps that they saw in the game with their research. So we started discussing ways that the game could represent some of the findings and observations they're making. And so the game ends up representing the behaviors of cells and the way that they interact. They give birth, they die, they touch, they enter each other's kind of boundaries, etc. The game requires patience and can be sometimes frustrating. The controls are sometimes also difficult to gauge, and that's all intentional and built in the design of the game. In the process, there's been some kind of comparison with the observation and the patience that scientists have to have when they look through the microscopes. It's really exciting to be able to work here at Penn State because there are just so many avenues for interdisciplinary work, and so I'm very, very excited to present this project